you're logged in. Welcome inside mobile. Now the first thing I want to draw your attention to is the mobile icon in the top left. This is your main menu for the entire CMS platform and where you get around. So I'm just going to hover down to my account, which is, you can see where I am now. Now you might have just signed up, you might be in a design team or in the marketing or sales team. If you're not the main boss of the business, you might want to put the owner of the business in here. You might leave and go and have another job, but you want the main account holder to be on this screen, my account, in which case it's me. I'm the CEO, which I can put my name and password in here. So that's the first thing. When you've done, always press save in the top right. Now we'll move on to my business. Just a couple of things in here. We've got the billing contact. Now this is the person or people that are receiving the monthly invoices from the mobile platform. So here you can see I've got it accounts at Belio with a comma, no spaces, and then my Belio email. Okay, and then the admin is the main account holder, but this is the main default email address that's going to receive all of the inquiries from your forms. Now on your forms, which you'll see later on in day one, you can actually put specific emails for that specific form. So this is just the default catch-all email address. Go and set that up. Now the other fields on this page are actually quite important. I'll just explain why. Your address is all over the website, maybe the contact us page, maybe in the footer, maybe in some of the menus that slide down. Okay, so these act as merge tags to save you going to type that again. So now I want you to populate your address, and that will instantly populate right around your theme as it's currently set up. And it's the same with your social handles. So go and populate your social handles now also, and all of the icons that are right away around your website will also update too. Pretty simple stuff. So now let's move on to my team.